Ino! Ino, come here. Aalis ka?
Yeah, just a small celebration with some friends.
Alam mo namang hindi kita papayagan. After surviving this rape case, hindi ka dapat labas ng labas. Nag-iimbita ka lang ng peligro sa pamilya natin.
But Dad, my friends have been waiting for this. For me, they're outside. Ang tagal ko nang nakukulong para sa isang krimen na hindi ko naman ginawa. Don't I deserve to have some fun?
Of course you do. But this life, your brand new life, dapat ingatan mo na to.
Cons, cut him some slack. Unang araw ng paglaya ng anak mo. Let him live a little.
Alam mo, Lorena, yung pagiging maluwag mo sa anak mo, this will only lead him to more serious dangers. Wala lang ba sa inyong dalawa ang pinagdaanan ng pamilya natin? Isn't this teaching you something? Something life-changing? Yung may katuturan? Ibig na dyan sa kababawan ng buhay mo.
Cons,
Yung buhay mo na nahahati lang sa dalawa. Kung hindi ka nagpa-party, gumagawa ka ng skandalo.
enough.
Hindi ko naman ginusto makasama sa skandalo na yun, Dad eh. Ako yung biktima dito.
Oh yeah? Na-check mo na ba ang social media mo lately? Kahit not guilty ka at malaya ka, survey says, iniisip ng lahat na talagang niripo si Trixie.
And who are these people again? Do you know them? I don't. And I don't care. Kasi wala silang ambag on how I want to live my life. My life, Dad, mine! People have been calling me names. A rapist, an abuser. May mukha daw ako anghel pero may sungay daw ako ng demonyo. Whatever! Heck, they can march on the streets and call it out to the world. But I refuse to let my life be dictated by some twisted truths and some horrible mistakes. I will not let this nuisance affect me. Masaya ako. Hindi ako guilty. And I am moving on. This is my Freedom Day #1. And one day, I'm gonna be living my best life ever.
Wait!